Hey there, I wanted to show you how to use the S Plus mod to pull resources into a crafting table to make it a little bit faster to get resources you need to craft items. So I'm looking at this crafting table right here. It's the Villager CKFR. And I can either push the E or the F key on my keyboard to open up the inventory for that table. So here's all the things that you can craft in there, right? Let's say that, oops, let's say that I want to make 4 walls. So right now I don't have enough resources in there to make it. You can see that it's showing that stone, thatch, and wood are needed, but I have 0 of each. So with that still activated, if I look up here above the inventory, there's a field where I can change that number. Let's say I change that number to a 4, right? I want to make 4 walls. And then to the right of that is an icon that looks like, 4 arrows pointing on the diagonals. So I'll click that once. And then if nearby I had the necessary resources for the 4 walls, it'll pull them into the table. And now when I point over top of that, you can see that stone, thatch, and wood are, they're lit up in green, and I have now enough to make 4 of the walls. So I would right mouse button click, and it says craft all 4. And so if I just click that, and then it'll make them, and now I've got the 4 walls that, of course, I can drag over into my own inventory. So it's a neat little trick. It's super helpful.